Welcome to my latest ormus video. In front of you here is my Faraday cage jar. It's got layers of aluminium tape, foil, brass, M1 titanium and copper tape. And I've been using these to hold the small bottles of ormus that I brew. Here's the latest what I did. I ran out of copper tape, so I finished off with brass and aluminium. Now, I recently brewed some ormus. Here's the bottle here. It's a bit cloudy inside for ormus dust. The ormus was rising up to about that height. And the water was up to about here where the blue band was. Now, after about 3 days of washing, which the ormus settled down immediately, and always left clear water, it didn't settle down, leading me to suspect that the ormus that was floating on top there that wouldn't settle down was opposing the ormus that did settle down on the bottom, so there could have been a positive negative charge. So I suspected it. So what I did is I separate the white water from above here to here and put it in another jar, and believe me or not, it actually settled, leaving clear water above it. So what I did is I re-topped it up with clear water and did another wash, and the same thing happened again, cloudy water, and I separated that and it settled, and I mixed them both together. In the end, the water is no longer salty tasted. I've got two different brews of ormus here. Here's one of them. I've got it still wrapped in foil, and here's the other one here. Hang on, I'll take that one off. A band off here. Hang on, just get that off. Yeah. Okay. Now this is one ormus. There we are. That is all ormus. And here's the other type of one I got here. Remember, I had to separate these ormuses to get them together. That one there. There we are. That's the water I've taken out. I can take out some water and leave it down. The more water I take out, the more it'll sink down. And when it sinks down more inside these Faraday cage jars, they concentrate and they get thicker. Now, because one of these ormuses is the original ormus that sank down the bottom, and this one is the result of the white water being separated from the other charged ormus and settling down separately. So I separated them both. So I got two different brands of ormus here. One taste is a bit chalky, and the other one has a nearly different taste. It's quite bizarre, really, a different taste. If I was mixing it together, then I'll end up having ormus sink down the bottom and ormus stay on top, so the white water on the top there. But to get it to settle down, you've got to separate the white water, put it in a separate jar, and then it'll settle down by itself. So this is the result of all the washes I did, and all the ormus I separated, the white water that didn't settle, and that's the one that did drop. See, it's thicker than that one there. Now, I put some of this ormus in a small jar last night, and I sat on top of a 940 nanometer 100 LED illuminator, and I used my Pyle brand monoculars to see what it looked like in the dark without the illuminator on the monoculars itself. Couldn't see much in the dark, but when I turned my light on, my bedroom light on, I could see this thing looks so bright, even with the illuminator it's sitting on, still on. I've got a purple glow surrounding it. It's almost like this thing is emitting ultraviolet light or something, and some other things too. I've got to capture it on video yet, because I didn't record it at the time. I was just doing observations here. Anyhow, that's about it for the time being. I've got to decant out some of that water down here so the ormus can drop more. It likes to leave a bit of water on top of it. This one here's got so little water above it, that'll be alright there. Anyhow, thank you for watching my latest updates.